There are multiple ways to select stitches on the Bernina 550. You have the card that came with it, and by the way, the card actually has this little plastic cover. I'm always one to pull this off, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. There's one on the front, and of course you have stitches back here, so we'll get this one peeled off so it's not so much of a glare on those stitches. Ah, yes, nice and fresh. Okay, so you can look on here and pick your number and then just dial it in. So if you want to stitch number 10, you can just touch 1, 0. You do want to pick the stitches fairly quickly, because if you just pick 1 and don't wait, it's going to go to stitch number 1 or back to a straight stitch. There are stitches that if you type in, say, 75, it doesn't go anywhere because there's not a stitch number 75 in this machine. So, but if you find yourself down here where the quilting stitches are, like 1329, that's the blanket stitch, 1, 3, 2, 9, and it goes right to the stitch that you're looking for. Back to a straight stitch, stitch number 1, and you're right where you were. Another place you can do is go to the home button, and then you'll see that the stitches are divided into categories. Kind of your practical stitches, if you touch OK, you're going to notice you'll have kind of a screen where you can arrow down and arrow across to the stitch you're looking for and touch OK to select it. Go back to the home menu, arrow over to the decorative stitches, and you're going to get categories. Like the 100s have a variety of floral ones in there. The 600s, some geometric ones. The 400s have satin stitches. So it just depends on which one you're looking for. The 1300s here, those are all your quilting stitches. Just arrow down and over to that and touch OK. And then once again, you can find the stitch you're looking for. Oh, there's that blanket stitch again, and touch OK. But once you start learning the numbers, it's really easy just to enter it over here on the keypad and go right to the stitch that you're looking for. Once again, back to a straight stitch, touch number 1, or you can turn the machine off, and that will also reset your machine back to a straight stitch.